So we pulled the primary drain plug here, and that's what we got. Start of a bad day. Let's check the primary fluid. Oh wow. I didn't know oil was magnetic. Weird.
It's not supposed to be hand tight, Kyle.
Well, no, but you can see some of the metal in the fluid there, the sparkle. Lots of sparkle in the pan. And then the compensator. Was not even tight, and our chains are a little loose as well. Update on that wobbly compensator nut. Found where all our metal was coming from. Couple of different options there. This is how she's sitting now. Looking a little naked.